I have a beauty battle for you today. Lipsense and Covergirl, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. If you're new here, take just a moment to subscribe to my channel, add a little chaos to your day. I have been asked so many times to try these out. I realize lots of people have tried them, but I'm going to do this just a little bit different. I'm going to do a beauty battle. I'm going to link some other beauty battles I've done here. What I'm doing is I'm taking two similar products and I'm making them duke it out. Which one's better? And even that's going to be unique because I'm going to apply half of my lip with the Covergirl and half with the Lipsense. I'm going to wear it all day. I'm going to eat, I'm going to drink, I'm going to go about my entire day, and I'm going to check back in with you a few times. And at the end of the day, I'm even going to take it off and see the ease or difficulty of taking off these lipsticks. I'm pretty sure this is the Covergirl Stay All Day. I can't see what color this is. I apologize. I can't read it. But it's two steps. It's the lip color in this that you apply all over your lip generally, and then it's got a moisturizer that you top it with. I've used this multiple times. I like it just fine. The Lipsense is similar to that. It's a lip color that you put on, but you do have to apply it in one direction. You're not supposed to go like you would a normal lipstick. And it has a top coat. It has a gloss that goes over the top of it. So they both work the same way. I've already exfoliated my lips because that's what you're supposed to do before you use the Lipsense, and that just makes good sense anyway. I'm saying sense a lot, but it is called Lipsense, so what do you expect from me? I will tell you that this is not comfortable to put on. It has so much alcohol in it that it stings and burns my lips. Supposedly, the longer you wear it, the less that happens. I don't know if that's true because I've only worn this a few times. I find it a little difficult to put it on because I'm afraid to mess it up, so it's hard to get it exactly in the right line of my lips. Whereas I feel a little bit more freedom with this. As far as wearing it all day, this one feels better at the end of the day. At the end of the day, both of my lips were so dry I could have died. We're gonna put the Covergirl on the right side. And isn't this a beautiful color? Goodness, I love it so much. It's slightly scented. It's kind of a candy-ish smell. You're not really supposed to press it together like that, so you're not supposed to do that. I'm going to put another coat on. See how you can just go back and forth? That's okay with this lipstick. You're not supposed to do that with the Lipsense. Now we're going to put this on the left-hand side. The first thing you notice when you uncap it is the scent. It smells like alcohol. It immediately goes to tingling because of the alcohol in it. It doesn't hurt. Yet. Now it's stinging. See how I got it down here? That's what I was worried about. Now you have to let it dry. Okay, a second coat. And let it dry. And now it burns as it dries. Now we're gonna put this on. And immediately your lips are so unbelievably dry from both sides. This starts sticking. That side feels better. And the lip gloss side, I can't stand the way that feels. As soon as you get the lip gloss on, it immediately feels better. Let me bring you the footage of the entire day. The Lipsense lipstick, after 2.5 hours, eating and drinking, still looks pretty good. But this, other side, looks, can you see it? It's doing something weird right here. The color's coming off, it's strange. I reapplied the gloss before I had rest time with my little guy now, and it's been about 6 hours since the lipsticks have been on. This side with the Lipsense still looks great. And this side, you can see has some issues. Both sides feel kind of dry, but when you touch it, you can feel that the gloss is completely gone, but this side still has a little bit of the gloss left that I applied about 2.5 hours ago. And I didn't do anything during that time. I maybe had one drink of some water. So this gloss definitely stayed on better than this side. It's the end of the day and this lipstick has been on for 12 hours. The most part of the day, the Lipsense side looked really great. But right about an hour ago, when I laid down with my little guy, my lips were so dry and I couldn't take it anymore. I've applied and reapplied the glosses that came with it, but I just needed some Carmex. And the Carmex pretty much removes the lipstick. Let you have a look here. The Carmex took it off pretty much on both sides. But up until I had applied the Carmex, this side still looked really good. I wish I would have gotten a picture of it right before I applied the Carmex so you could see that. But you can see from the earlier footage I did at the early afternoon part of the day that it was still looking really good, and this part had pretty much already been disintegrating, and that continued deteriorating throughout the day. I had some chips, I had some cookies, I had a soda. No, I didn't. I ate healthy all day long. I don't know what I'm talking about. Forget all that about the chips. I ate healthy all day long, and the Lipsense stayed on. But it just didn't feel that good. Neither side felt that good. It's not like with a creamy lipstick where your lips just feel okay. And with a regular lipstick, I can put Carmex on, and it doesn't dissolve. I'm going to use the Garnier Marcellar? The Marcellar? A word I can't pronounce. I'm going to use it to take off this lipstick. Let's see if it just comes off or if I have to use the actual coconut oil. It comes right off. I need a little bit more to get the rest of the Lipsense off. Came right off with the micellar water. I probably am still butchering that word. And I don't think you actually need the coconut lotion remover goop they gave you. Really, the Lipsense stood up better. Obviously, the Lipsense is the better lipstick. If you can get past the smell, if you can get past the slight burning sensation when you put it on, and if you're ready to apply the lip gloss throughout the day, I'm willing to continue wearing this. I think once I get the hang of it, I can keep it in the lines a little bit better. I may even try some lip liner next time, but I definitely like this. This is great for busy moms because you don't have time to reapply lipstick all day long. So you can put this on in the morning and you're good to go until you apply Carmex. But you'll want to carry your lip gloss with you to put on throughout the day. Lipsense the winner. Thank you for joining me here today. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Click that picture of me just above my head. That will subscribe you to my channel. I do makeup, skincare, hair, nails. I do these beauty battles and they're tons of fun. You won't want to miss that. In the meantime, here's a video for you to watch. I think you'll enjoy it. Be blessed.